Prime Day drone deals. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Last night I hosted Rotor Talk Live, and we spent the better part of the show discussing all the great Amazon Prime Day drone deals. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. All right, this one's called Drone Deals. I would probably help if I share. Okay. Okay, drone deals to look out for ahead of Amazon's Prime Day event. Okay. We're gonna get to that here. Other deals to support your drone use: Samsung Pro Endurance 128 gigabyte SD card, $19.99, regularly $27. Lexus Play 256 gigabyte SD card, $29.99, regularly $45. PNY Elite X 64 gigabyte 3-pack, $18.49, regularly $27.99. Western Digital has a couple of portable SSDs that are on sale. You can grab for $109, regularly $199. Western Digital has a 1 terabyte option for as low as $50.99, regular $59, and a 5 terabyte version for $118.99, regular $164.99. Sheep has a wide range of options for portable HDDs as low as $44.99. And I do recommend having some type of portable storage. It's always a good thing. I have portable storage on my laptop. I have portable storage. Well, I have a big I have a 14 gig backup drive on my main computer here as well too. So those are good. Those are good prices. So we're going to just kind of get right into this here. The first one I want to do is the Autel. Let's go ahead and bring that up. Okay, Autel Evo Nano Plus, Lite Plus drones are 20% off for Prime Day 2022 sale. Okay. Typically selling for $1,099, the Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle is being reduced to $879 in the U.S. for Prime Day. Drone enthusiasts in EU will be able to pick up the sub 250 gram drone for $759. In the Asia Pacific region, the bundle will cost $759 during the 2-day Prime Day event. The Evo Nano Plus comes with a 3-axis gimbal. It's compact enough to fit almost anywhere from side pocket of a hiking bag, palm of your hand. 4K Evo Nano Plus has 50 megapixel, 1/1.28 inch, 0.8 inch CMOS processor, RYYB color filter array designed with a f/1.9 aperture offers superior noise reduction. Okay. Evo Lite Plus drone deal. Evo Lite premium drone bundle, which usually sells for $1849, is also down 20% for Prime Day. You can pick it up for $1479 in the US. In the EU, the deal costs $13.19, while APAC customers can grab the bundle at a discounted price of $13.13. Evo Lite Plus comes with a 6K camera and f/2.8 f/11 adjustable aperture, which lets you alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways. With an algorithm optimized for low light and a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, Autel's Evo Lite Plus is known to capture crisp, vibrant nighttime images, even at a high ISO setting. In addition, Evo Lite Plus also features ultra-wide angle obstacle avoidance system and a 7.4-mile flight range. The drone comes with a maximum flight time of 40 minutes. Okay, now these are some again, this is some pretty good stuff here, and these links are out there. And if this is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and do it. Now, one of the things that's not noted down here. Amazon Prime offers Affirm financing, which I've used before, and they're fantastic. Okay, it's 0% during their Prime sale. Double check, but I did see an advertisement that today in an email that it's 0% for Prime Day. So you may want to check that out if that's something that you're interested in. 0% financing is always good. So that's something that you may want to look into. All right. Not to be outdone, Amazon Prime DJI Air 2S Fly More sale. Okay, let's go ahead and get that up here. All right, got the article. All right, Amazon Prime Day offers DJI Air 2S Fly More combo 20% or $260 off. And you can see what all comes with this. Now, remember, this is not the smart controller version. This is with the regular controller for the Air 2S here. Okay, and there is a lot in that. Okay, you're getting the 2 extra batteries, extra set of propellers. You get the charging hub right here, ND filters, which is wonderful. Of course, the gimbal protector right there. That is plus the case. So you're getting an incredible deal right here. Now, Amazon is offering up a DJI Air 2S Fly More combo for $1,039 or $260 off its usual price. The bargain will be the tightest resale squeeze ever to put on a tag for that full aerial package. Okay, if you were even halfway thinking about the Air 2S, do not hesitate. This is an incredible sale at $230 off. You may not see this around Christmas time during the normal Black Day sale, but this is something I would highly encourage you if you're looking for a quality drone that's right around $1,000 that can probably give you performance that would rival, say, the Mavic 3. This is it. Go for it. I wouldn't hesitate. 1 second here. You can see it's still available. Buy new, $1,039. Now it's free delivery is now this Saturday. Order within 3 minutes. Now earlier today, it had delivery within 1 day. Okay, this is pretty incredible for what you're getting for this drone. I can definitely say you that. Okay, all right. This is an incredible deal, guys. I can't say that enough. It's just absolutely fantastic. Absolutely, Oracle. I agree 100%. This Air 2S deal is just absolutely incredible. That's something I like. Again, that's something I definitely highly recommend to everybody. Now, not to be outdone for all this, okay, the Mini 2 is on sale as well, too. And again, this is an incredible deal. So let me go ahead and pull this up here. There we go. Now, remember, the Mini 2 is still an incredible drone, guys, okay? And with this kind of a price, if you've been looking to get into something and trying to save some money, you'll definitely be able to do it with this here. DJI slashes Mini 2 drone fly more combo to $479. This is under $500, guys, okay? Look at all you're getting 3 batteries, a charging hub, extra propellers, a case with this, saving $120. The normal price is $600. Right now it's $479. You just can't beat up a deal like this. This is absolutely positively fantastic. The other thing that I wanted to share with you too is, a related product, DJI Action 2 dual screen combo is 45% off for Prime Day. And that's an incredible deal. That's an absolutely incredible deal. It's now on sale for $299, 45% off its retail price of $539. The Amazon sale price offer deliveries a new all-time low for the modular action camera. I mean, if you're looking for an action cam and want to get a good deal, this is a good deal. It still works well. It does have a few quirks about it, but if you're in the market for one, this would be something that I would definitely recommend. It really good. Yep, Zach, I got that up here right now. I didn't have a banner for it, but I do have an article for it. And again, this is something, if you're looking for an action cam and you don't have one, and you don't want to pay full price for like a GoPro, this would be a route that I would go. Of course, you guys know I still have the original DJI Action. cam, and I just absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So this is definitely the way to go if you want to if you want to get a cam, and it's a super good price. It really is. A reminder that links for all of the Amazon Prime Day drone deals will be below in the description. And if you use one of those links to purchase one of the drones, it will help out Bill the Drone Reviewer. Question of the day: what did you think of Amazon Prime Day drone deals? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.